Hi guys, welcome to Backpack with Kush. So this video is about a road trip to Jodhpur and this is the first video of this sequence. Let's get started. So Jodhpur is almost 570 kilometers from Gurgaon and it takes roughly 10 hours to drive there. तो हम लोग सुबह 5 बजे गुड़गांव से निकले और वहाँ कुछ खाते पीते हुए रास्ते में वी डिसाइडेड टू टेक अ स्टॉप एट पुष्कर. पुष्कर में वी स्टेड एट दिस ब्यूटिफुल प्रॉपर्टी कॉल्ड वाइल्ड रोज रिजॉर्ट विच इज ओन्ड एंड मैनेज्ड बाय दिस लवली कपल. Surrounded by hills, next to rose farms, this place is an excellent weekend getaway. Generally मैंने देखा है, whenever we get time, especially people from Delhi NCR, we run towards mountains to chill and relax. But it seems Rajasthan is another destination that you can explore if you love culture and history. 5-6 घंटे की ड्राइव पे अरावली रेंजेस के बीच में बसा हुआ ये छोटा सा शहर is a perfect weekend getaway. इतने सुंदर रिजॉर्ट को देख के we decided to stay the night there. So if you love spending weekends in a resort far away from the city hustle, then do visit the place. Go watch the next video to see more glimpses of Rajasthan.